Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Walmart app and create shopping lists step by step clearly. To download the Walmart app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Walmart and press enter. Locate the official Walmart app in the search results. Tap on the Walmart app icon to view its details. Click the download or install button to begin the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, find the Walmart app icon on your home screen and tap to open it. If you already have a Walmart account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your account. Now that you're logged in, let's create your shopping list. On the main screen of the app, look for the Lists option in the menu. Select Create New List or a similar option. Give your list a name that reflects your shopping needs. Start adding items by using the search bar at the top. Type in the name of the item you want to add. When the item appears in the search results, tap on it. Look for the option to add it to your shopping list and select it. Continue adding all the items you need. Once your list is complete, you can review it by selecting it from the Lists section. Check off items as you shop for easy tracking. Your Walmart app is now set up with your shopping list ready to go. Enjoy a streamlined shopping experience with the Walmart app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.